Hi guys, welcome back to this new short video. I'm gonna show you how to fix the Facebook Messenger, the unsent messages. First thing you wanna do is go to the settings on your phone, click on the apps right here. On this page you will find the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find the Messenger right here and click on it like this. After that, click on force stop. As you can see, when you click on force stop, now click on storage, click on clear cache and clear data, go back again, and now all what you want to do next is click on data usage right here. On this option, all what you want to do is make sure to disable the background data and the roaming data and enable only the Wi-Fi and the mobile data like this. And the last thing you want to do is click again on this force stop and restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.